Today, we will talk about how to get rid of fungus gnats. Let's have a look at the details. Fungus gnats are an annoying pest that thrive in damp conditions. If your potted plants or garden beds are infested with small black flies, you may be facing this problem. Keeping soil dry is the #1 way to get rid of fungus gnats. If the problem is severe, you can also use a variety of traps, insecticides, and other controls to reduce the gnats. Be persistent, and you can soon be rid of this pest. The first method is treating the soil. Keep soil fairly dry. Fungus gnat larvae thrive in wet soil. If you have plants that you water in pots or in your yard, don't do so excessively. Clear organic debris from soil. Dead leaves, flowers, grass clippings, and other debris all help fungus gnat larvae develop. Add sand to soil. If your soil continues to be overly wet even after you make sure not to overwater it, you may need to alter the soil composition. Mixing regular sand into the upper layer of potted soil or garden beds can help keep it dry and prevent the growth of larvae. Treat commercially produced soil before using it. Some packaged types of potting soil and topsoil may inadvertently include fungus gnat larvae. Treating the soil with heat before using it will kill the larvae and prevent the spread of gnats. And the second method is controlling adult gnats and larvae. Set yellow sticky traps out. These can be found in any garden center. Egg-laying adults will be attracted to the yellow paper and then get stuck. Place several sticky paper traps in your potted plants or garden. Remove the traps when they are covered in flies, and they will be unable to lay eggs. Set out a trap for adult flies. Vinegar or beer will attract and kill adult gnats. All you have to do is set out a few homemade traps. Pour ordinary vinegar or beer into several jars with lids. Add a few drops of dish soap to the liquid. Close the lids and poke several holes into them. Leave the jars scattered throughout the area infested by gnats. The adults will fly into the jars and die. Try cinnamon to kill the larvae. Cinnamon is a natural fungicide. It will kill the fungus that the larvae feed on, essentially starving them to death. Simply sprinkle cinnamon on the surface of the soil in your potted plants or garden beds. Use pyrethrin spray. A variety of pesticides containing pyrethrin are available at gardening and home supply stores. These can kill adult fungus gnats, but not larvae. Since fungus gnats breed rapidly, new adults will appear each day. This means that you will have to repeat sprays every day for several weeks to control the gnats. Try biological controls. A variety of other organisms, such as nematodes, rove beetles, and certain bacteria, will kill fungus gnats or their larvae. These are commercially available and sold as gnat, mosquito, or fly controls. Use diatomaceous earth. Place a thin layer of diatomaceous earth and naturally occurring sediment over the top of your soil. A layer about 1 inch thick will prevent gnats from laying eggs in your soil. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.